Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and this year, instead of spending a ton of money on professionally done hanging baskets, I wanted to take the project into my own hands, and I was able to do that with this beautiful set of 10-inch hanging baskets from LaDoVita. This set comes in a pack of 2, which was perfect for my double hook. Now, I absolutely loved everything about these hanging baskets. The set I got was in black, but I love that it does come in other colors depending on what you're looking for. They are nice and durable plastic, so I know that they can withstand any of the weather conditions that we may face this year. These can be used both indoor and outdoor, and for me personally, I'm using them outdoor for now, but come the winter time, I do plan to take some of my houseplants so that I can use them indoors as well. I really like that there are drainage holes in the bottom as well, so when we're out watering our plants in the summertime, that drainage hole allows the water to go through so we're not overwatering it. Now it does come with plugs too, so when I move it inside, I do plan to plug it up so we don't have any leaking. I like the black because I can put any flower I want in here, and the black just really helps it pop. This year I decided to go with a beautiful yellow flower to pop against our home, and the black pot just really elevates the look. The beautiful black design makes it modern but also minimalistic. So it's very simple but very cute and beautiful to look at. I personally love that it comes in a set of 2 because I do have a double shepherd hook, but you can also use them individually. If I wanted to separate them around other shepherd hooks around the yard, then I have the ability to do that. And I love that I can either have a uniform look or use them individually. These hanging baskets from LaDoVita have just elevated my garden, and I am so happy with them. But that's just my point of view.